let them say so, because they are in a hurry. That is why, see, we have promised our people and we will definitely implement that. There are certain procedures which we have to follow, and that is what we are doing. In fact, we have taken a decision, we have issued the government orders already. Once the government orders are issued, it's a commitment on the part of the government. And procedures have to be laid out. It's just not simply you say something and do it. We are a government. Government has some procedures. There is financial implications. There is so many things. All that we have worked out much before the promises. When we are preparing the manifesto, we have discussed all this. But the procedures have to. Initial hiccups are always there whenever there is a new scheme or new project is launched. Always. Those initial things, maybe another week or so, we will resolve it. It's not that we are not going to resolve. We will resolve. We have already issued the government orders. We will do it.